Let's go. Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm actually climbing the building behind me. See this building here? I'm gonna climb this building today. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, guys, consider subscribing, and yeah, let's go do that. But first I gotta pay my parking ticket. I've actually paid my car park, and now let's go climb this building. Let's go do that. See you on the other side. So we actually have to queue here before we get in, and seems like there are a lot of people here, so I'm a bit late, but still on time, so hope it's gonna be fun. So let's go do it. So I actually did the climbing, but we were not allowed to bring any of the camera up there because for safety reasons, and they reckon that if anything falls there and drop on someone, especially from that height, even just a pen dropping from that place, by the time it's reaching the ground, it's about 50 kilos, and that's very dangerous, and therefore they have to take all the precautions that is necessary. And also we don't want to get fined. It's about $150,000 fine, and also you go to jail for 10 years, and you know, it's not worth it. So I did not manage to capture anything for the same reason, but I got some photos, but I'll show you. Yeah, it's just unfortunate that they don't allow cameras up there, you know. And if you wanna like do video by yourself, then you gotta book, which costs $700, and then you are the only person who is going up there, you know, because at $700 also covers your insurance, so which is fair enough. We'll see what we can do in the near future about that. We'll see.